Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Women Over 50. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you a daily stretching routine. This will really get everything ready, limbered up for the rest of the day. So what I like to do first is to stand with my back nice and straight, my feet firmly on the ground for stability and balance, and just very gently roll the shoulders back in a backwards motion. Really incorporate the arms as well, loosening everything up. And then come forward. This is a great one to do in the morning. And then I like to finish off with a backward, so then we reset our shoulders. I'm placing one hand on my hip and pushing it out, and very gently with the other arm bending to the side. A lovely gentle stretch along the side here and of the obliques and also the arm. And then just very gently come back up, place your other hand onto your hip, push the hip out slightly, take the arm and just gently come to the other side. And then gently come back up. So now with our hands, we're interlocking them, turning them the other way, and just gently come forward and just stretch out the arms and the fingers. And then come all the way to the top and all the way back down. So now with my arm, I'm just stretching all the way in front of my body, big round circular motion. And it's going to be nice and slow, you don't need to go too fast. One last time this way, and then work the other way with the same arm, coming all the way along, holding in the core, making sure your back's nice and straight and that your core is engaged. And then with the other arm, again, just a lovely round circular motion, really stretching out that arm. And one last time, and then stretching it all the other way. Great stretch for the shoulders here. So now placing my hands onto my shoulder, I'm keeping my neck nice and in line and just very gently pulling my head to the side. Now this is a very, very gentle neck stretch. You don't need to be going over the top. So it's a very nice, very light tension on the side of the neck. Very gently come back up and then to the other side. Obviously, if you have neck issues, please see your doctor first, and you don't want to overdo this stretch, so just very nice and light. And come back up and just roll the shoulders back, forward and then back again, just to reset the shoulder. So now let's do a great stretch now for the hips. So I'm just going to lift my leg up, come all the way along, stretching along the hip area here. Again, very nice and slow, just coming across, great stretch. If you like, if you don't have the balance, you can always use a wall or a chair, and you should feel great stretch on the hip here. Try to keep your rest of your body in line and forward here. Let's just do this 2 more times. And one last time. And then on the other leg. So making sure you've got plenty of space around your toes for the floor if you're not wearing trainers like me, so you've got lots of surface area. Very gently lift up your leg and just give a nice round circular motion, so you're feeling the stretch on the hip area here. It's a great one also for loosening up the hips. We can get quite tight hips very easily. Let's just do this another 2 times. It's lifting up, gently coming across, and then one last time. And then just shake it out. So now I'm just going to place my legs slightly further apart and then literally bending in, so you get a nice stretch on the inner thigh. And you want to make sure that your toes are not going over your knees don't go over your toes. If you like, you can lean onto your knee, but I like to stand up, have the rest of my body fairly straight so I can really feel that stretch. And you don't want to be adding any more pressure onto the rest of your joints. And just hold that stretch here. Come up and then alternate. So leg at an angle and then just very gently come down. A lovely stretch on the inner thigh. Come back up and then just very gently come with your legs. So let's stretch out these quads here. So if you like, you can hold on to something. If you don't have the balance, obviously you can build up to this, but you want to take one leg and just literally hold that there, so you can feel a great stretch at the front of your leg here. You may want to, it's a good one for balance, this one. So again, really stretching it, holding that stretch here. Come down and then on the other side. It's a great balance exercise. And give it a little shake out. And then another one for the leg is we're just coming forward and then lifting up the toe, and you should feel it on your calf here. Great stretch for the calf. And then release, and then the other foot. So coming down, bending forward and just turning up your toes. Feeling a great stretch on the calf. And then gently come back up. And so our last stretch we're going to do is we're literally going to fold in. So very gently coming down, soft knees, and just hang. And you should feel a stretch on your calves here, maybe on the back of your thigh. And just let your arms dangle, holding in the core. See if you can, bit by bit, you should be, after a while, be able to, if you keep doing this, be able to touch your fingers onto the floor. Feel that stretch. And then just very, very gently come up. Nice and slow, vertebrae by vertebrae. And then just give it a little shake out. So I hope you enjoyed this daily stretching routine, and if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing for more content, and a thumbs up if you found it useful, and also comment down below and tell me if there's any other exercises you'd like me to share with you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.